Hi, welcome back to my guides and tutorials. So I'm back in the kitchen today. I'm going to make my tea. Having tagliatelle with mushrooms, onions, some cooking bacon. I'm going to make my own white sauce, mix it all through, boil up the pasta. I'm going to try and do little clips of each part that I've done, embed it all into one video. It should be a really easy meal to make. Let's just hope it all goes to plan here. So this is the tagliatelle pasta going in here. Don't know how much of this I'm meant to use, so I'll put 6 nests. I think that should be fine for 2 people. So we've got the mushroom in the frying pan. We'll get some onion in there as well. I'm not a big fan of chopping onions. I always get the nippy eyes and whatnot. I'm sure everybody else does as well. I've tried looking up ways to prevent this. If any of you know how to prevent the nippy eyes from onions, let me know. I've tried everything from running my knife under cold water. I used to try wearing swimming goggles when I was younger. But apart from looking kind of stupid, I don't think I had any help whatsoever. There we go, there's some onions chopped. We'll get the onions in there with the mushrooms and we'll get them all fried off. Right, we're going to add a bit of cooking bacon into the onions and mushrooms now, and we'll get that fried off together. Tagliatelle is boiling nicely. Don't know if that shows up on the video. Okay, so now to make my white sauce. So all you do is you just add a wee, I don't know if this is right or not, but this is the way I do it. You just add a wee bit of flour in there, and then a splash of milk. So I'll just whisk that all together. You just whisk the flour in the milk, make a wee sort of paste if you like, and then you put it on a gradual heat. You make sure you've not got any lumpy bits of flour. Try and mix this thoroughly. This is the base of your sauce. And once you get that whisked in fine, you just add a splash more milk, and that should thicken under the heat because of the added flour. And all you do with that is, once it starts to, you don't want to bring it to the boil too much because you can burn it to the bottom of the pan so easily. You just want to gradually bring it to a heat until it starts to thicken. Once this starts to thicken, you take your meat, your mushrooms and onions, and you add it to the sauce and you stir it all up with a wooden spoon, and that's you ready to basically serve. So there we are. That's the finished article, folks.